Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angel and today I'm here to give you a home decor haul. So I went shopping at a few spots, Kirklands and Ross and Michael's, and I picked up some items that I'm going to share with you today. So if that interests you, keep watching and be sure to subscribe. Let's get started. You gonna say hey Aries? Okay, to start, let's start with this. This is a huge cutting board, guys. It's a huge bamboo cutting board. I have been wanting one of these for the longest, and bamboo boards they can become very expensive. But I really like this one because it had the rubber edges so that it won't be sliding, you know, on the island or countertop. And it catches the juice because of the crevices there. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, but it's a juice catcher too, and it's a non-sliding butcher block for cutting. So, and I got this, I paid $7.99, guys. What? Can you say that again? $7.99. Yeah. Awesome, right? And it's the bigger one. It's not the little small one. It's actually pretty big and it's kind of heavy too. So, yeah, I'm so geeked about this. The next item I got was also this, like a wood little tray. This was actually on clearance for $4.99. I'm gonna actually put this on my island and like put my flowers and stuff on it. So it's gonna be my tray on my island that I'm gonna do. So, and it's made from bamboo too. Okay, so here's another tray that I picked up. I picked up a few trays. This tray is perfect because not only is it made from weathered wood, I don't know if you can see it, but it has a mirror on the inside. So pretty cool. And I got this for my coffee table because I'm going for a modern farmhouse look in both my living room and my kitchen. If you saw my kitchen, you saw how we transformed it into a modern farmhouse type kitchen. And so I did the same for my living room. How much did I pay for this? $9.99. Seriously, $9.99 for this so great tray. It's like, I love the weathered wood because it gives me that farmhouse effect, and then the mirror gives me that modern glam look. So I love that. So this fits right in because my coffee table is made from weathered wood. So I'll show you how that looks. Okay, so I also picked up this candle pillar. It's a candle holder. It was also on clearance from Ross, and I paid $5.49 for this. So I got this for my living room as well. It's gonna go on top of that tray that I just showed you on top of my coffee table. And I'll put a candle on top of this, and it's perfect because again, it gives that weathered effect. And so it's perfect for the look I'm trying to go for. So another item I picked up from Ross is this. It's another tray. It's actually a really big tray. It's bigger than a normal tray, and it can also be turned into a, look at this. Isn't this cool? Wow! It's like a mobile, bed and breakfast tray. I love that. So, I can eat breakfast in bed, or if my husband wants to serve me breakfast in bed, which he does, he can use this, and it's perfect. So it's a dual versatile tray, and then you can just put the legs back and turn it into a flat tray like this. It's made from wood. It's totally cute. Okay, so how much did I pay for this? $8.99. Yes, I don't know if you can see it, but $8.99 is what this was. Guys, you cannot beat their prices. You really can't. For this, it's not really for decor. It's actually for use. And I usually keep a tray upstairs, so when we're eating and drinking upstairs in the bedroom and watching TV, then we can bring everything back down on this to try to keep the house clean. It's one of my tricks and hacks for keeping a clean house. I'll share more of those later on. I also picked up this little cute bad boy. Oh my god, seriously, this is so totally cute. Like, you know I'm a huge do-it-yourselfer, but I also like to buy inexpensive things to save me the time. So I could have made one of these, but it would have took a really long time, and it wouldn't have been with wire. It would have been with like wood sticks and spray paint. But I found this, and it was only $8.99. Yes, $8.99. So totally cute. This is for my office. I'm doing a complete makeover for my office. The colors are going to be rose gold and marble, so it's going to be pinks and blushes and rose and gold and white. So it's going to be really pretty. And I did a video on some of my do-it-yourself decor that I'm doing, so be sure to check that out if you're interested. But yeah, this is for my office, and I just thought it was totally adorable. I loved it. It was perfect for my office. Okay, so I actually picked up a few things from Kirklands as well, and one of those things was this. I got these 3 candle holders. Can you see that? They were on sale for $19.99, and it's 3 of them, and they're really big. Granted, I do have 3, but those colors were blue, brown, and silver. But this, guys, it's like a clear mercury type glass that's like tinted with black, and that's what I fell in love with. So let me show you how it looks. So this is how, I don't know if the camera is picking up the color of it. It has a black tint to it. So I was like, this is perfect for my piano room. My piano room is also known as the black and white room. So this would be perfect to go in there because it's got that hint of black, and it gives a touch of class as well. So this is definitely going to the piano room, the 3 of them, and I'll show you how they look. Okay, so another item I picked up from Kirkland was this. This is a scented pack. They're called Fresh Scents. I love these things. This fragrance was my first love. It's called She Leaves a Little Sparkle Wherever She Goes. Oh my god, the smell of this is so it's hard to explain. It's just, it smells so great. I really love the scent of this. So I try to keep this scent in my office. So sometimes I hide it, sometimes I put it on the bookshelf. But these things are really strong. I usually get the pack of 5, but I just got 1 pack on this trip. But these are really nice. And I think it was $1.99, but I got it for 30% off. So it's what, $140. The pack is cheaper. You can usually get a pack of 3 for about $5. Kirkland sell them, JCPenney sell them. There are many places that sell them. I can't talk. Bed Bath & Beyond also sells them. So if you guys have not looked into this, I love these because you don't have to run your electricity like you do with plug-ins or wax warmers. And I can do a whole nother video on how to save money for your household. But this is one way. I do use plug-ins and wax warmers for different parts of my house. But for other parts, I use these. They last forever and a day. Okay, not forever, but a good 30 days. And the scent holds, and it doesn't use any electricity. So you pay $1 and it gives you your scent. And I'm a huge lover of smell goods. Like, I love stuff that smells good. Like, I love my house to smell good. I have 2 dogs, but most people will tell you, you don't know that I have 2 dogs. Like, my house pretty much stays clean and it smells good, so you would never know. Okay, moving on. Okay, so I also picked up a few items from Michael's, and I picked up 3 baskets. So this is one of them. You can never, ever have enough baskets in your house. Like, baskets help you stay organized. They are nice and clean, and they just give you a touch of class and elegance. You never have enough baskets. So they were having the 70% off sale of baskets. I don't know if you can see this, but this is my dog. She's like needy right now. She wants attention, and I'm trying to film. She's like a little baby. You see that? Really? Okay, back to this. So this is so gorgeous. I fell in love with this basket. It's that weathered wood, and it's gonna fit perfect into my family room. I have lots of touches of weathered wood throughout my family room. So this would just add on to that. I probably just put like a throw blanket or something in it, so that'll be an extra nice piece of decor that will go really well. The last thing I got, this was from Michael's as well. It was on sale for 50% off. Can you see it? It's a lantern. See it? But it's in rose gold. Yeah, a rose gold lantern. I love it. And, oh. Thought it broke. It did not. But yeah, like, this is so gorgeous. I'm redoing my office rose gold and marble. So this is just gonna go perfectly in there somewhere. I may probably end up putting plants or candles. I don't know. I have candles in my other lantern, so I may actually put plants in this one. I just gotta play with it and see. So that's all for my decor. Thank you guys for watching and tuning in. I love decorating my house and I love do-it-yourself projects. So if any of that interests you, be sure to click the subscribe button. And I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you on my next video. So you guys have a great week. Are you trying to be on camera?